Why use Kajabi to sell your products quickly and easily? In this video, you're about to discover why selling your products and services can be an absolute nightmare. You'll also find out the costly mistakes to avoid when building your online business. And finally, why use Kajabi over other options that might be available to you. Now, you'll want to keep watching until the end of this video because in a moment, I'll reveal the answer to the question, is Kajabi safe? And the shocking reason behind it. Now, I'm Tex Williams. I've helped others market and sell their knowledge online since 2007, and this has been done in a variety of different ways. However, things changed dramatically when I discovered Kajabi and became a founding member of the platform in 2015. Since that time, I have noticed that for many people online, selling your solutions can be an absolute nightmare. The reason is because it becomes overwhelming to solve the issue of hosting not only your content for digital products and services, but also your content for your marketing, your sales messages. And then you have the payment processing of collecting any sort of income from leads and potential customers who want to pay you to access the content and various services that you've created. And finally, you have the delivery of purchases. And if these aren't all done properly, it can be an absolute nightmare, not only for you to grow your business, but your reputation and basically the feedback that your clients, customers, leads leave online about doing business with you. Now, here are some very critical mistakes you'll want to avoid. First off, using free software. I'm referring to the WordPresses, the free plugins. These are things that typically sound great, are very exciting, one, because of the price, but mostly because of how easy it is to just grab them and go. The problem is they're often not updated frequently, which makes them very vulnerable to hackers and exploits of plugins that just aren't being kept up to date as hackers focus on finding ways to crack through them. Another mistake to avoid is the Frankenstein solutions. This is the patching together multiple different services and software programs to try and achieve your desired result. The problem is they often don't contact or connect with each other very well. And if any of them have a sort of disconnect at any point, it can be, once again, an absolute nightmare. And finally, manual processes. If your business is built on the manual delivery, manual processing of orders as they come in, and giving that fulfillment of products and services, you are going to have trouble scaling in the future, and that can also be very costly. So why use Kajabi? Well, first off, you have content hosting for your sales, marketing messages, products, and services. You have payment processing, so that's taken care of in one spot. And you have automated fulfillment of the products and services that you provide, all within the same platform. No need for a Frankenstein solution. And of course, you have enterprise level security, which means the answer to, is Kajabi safe, is the yes, it's taking care of you because of the enterprise level security. It means that you're safe from data theft or being locked out of your own website due to hackers exploiting plugins, which happens with WordPress. So you can now focus on building and growing a profitable online business. So with that said, which Kajabi feature is most helpful to you? Comment below. And if you want to see more videos with Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and click that notification bell so you get notified about future videos. And also, be sure to watch this other video on Kajabi right now to learn additional strategies, tips, and resources that you can use moving forward.